Hi everyone, welcome back to DYOR. Today we will show you how to replace the front and rear cameras on the Samsung Galaxy A11 mobile phone. To start, we need to have the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. First, turn on the phone and take out the SIM tray, and then follow with the back cover removal. To remove the back cover, create a gap near the SIM slot or charger port using a picker or car pry tool. Insert the car pry tool and gently move around the phone to release the plastic clips on the frame. Be gentle when taking out the back cover. The fingerprint sensor is attached to the back cover. Next, apply heat and soften the glue on the fingerprint button. And then slightly push to take out the switch from the back cover. Now, the back cover unit can leave from the body. Next, take out the shield by undoing 3 screws. Next, disconnect the battery plug. Next, take out the board bracket by undoing 3 screws. Make sure to release the adhesive before pulling out the bracket. Next, disconnect and take out the primary and white cameras from the logic board. Next, take out the logic board by undoing 2 screws, 2 antennas and releasing 2 connector plugs from the board. Take out the logic board and then pull out the depth camera and front camera by disconnecting the plugs. Next, place the new front camera and depth camera on the board. Next, secure the logic board on the frame. Next, secure 2 screws on the board. And then secure 2 connector plugs and 2 antenna heads on the board. Next, place and secure the new primary and white cameras to the board. Next, secure the board bracket by adding 3 screws. And then paste the adhesive strip on the front camera. Next, connect the battery. Next, secure the bracket by adding 3 screws. Next, if needed, add some glue on the edge of the fingerprint holder on the back cover. Finally, snap in the back cover and run through the sides to secure the clips. And also, do not forget to add the SIM tray. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.